in there. So now you select your name, and we are good to start doing the testing. So you don't have to, you just have to go back and yeah. So at this point, we're testing the category 6 using the 568A because that's how you wired it up. And we're going to test. So at this point, I'll take one of this. Since you're going to be working on the patch panels, you have this end, and I have this other end. Now with this end, I'm going to plug it in. As soon as we plug it in, we're going to hear a beep telling you that that's the right one. So which one are we doing? Okay. And listen for that beep. So when I'm on the other side, how would I know? You on the other side, how do I know that you've plugged it in, I've plugged it in? As soon as I hear the beep, that is the cable. Did you hear that? It means I've unplugged it. It's plugged in. Now you're going to hit test.
Test. Bad wire map.
Bad wire map, right? And again, we noticed from this one that it was crossed. Let's see. So click on OK, and it shows you which one was crossed.
Here, 3 and 6.
3 and 6. So it shows you that those were the ones that were crossed. But you can do more. You can say fix later,
Fix later.
and it's going to mark it there and remind you that you have to go back to this drop number and fix it. And you can select the cable ID. So
12.
yes, so you can say 0012, or you can say D for data dash 001. You naming scheme that matches the customer. So here we saved it as 12, and you're going to hit save. So it's going to remind you to come back and fix it later. Okay, so that was the wire map. So let's go to the next one. Oh, it's going to test the exact same one. So let's go to the next one. Plug this into number 1.
Number 1.
And I'll find number 1 here and plug that one in. You can help me.
Yeah, perfect.
So you can test. Let's take a look. It takes some time because it passed, but marginally. So it's orange. So it gave you an asterisk. You just on the borderline, right? Most companies would not accept this. They would want you to fix it. So this could be either a faulty jack but this thing is going to tell you. So what you want to do is the wire map is good. Wire map is telling you that your pair configuration or your pair assignment is correct. So pin 1 on the left is the same as pin 1 on the right. Pin 2 is the same as, but let's see why it failed. So click on performance. Where did it fail at?
I think on next signal.
Here. On next. Next is near end crosstalk. And we have far end crosstalk. And what creates crosstalk? From too much separation of the cable. If you untwist too much. So you see how sensitive this one is. It's showing that you have untwisted too much. Okay, so let's test the next one. So here it gives you the option to say fix later, right? So you can come back and fix that one too.
Yeah, but 001.
Yeah, perfect.
Done. Safe.
Good. So let's go to the next one. But you notice how this one just gave you pass because this one just does wire map.
That's right. Okay. This number 2. This number 2. Yeah, this number 2. Okay.
All right, so you hit test.
Yes. Let's see.
Now that was good. This is always a sound everybody wants to hear. What did it say?
Pass.
Pass.
with a green color.
Green color. So when you go and you watch the performance again, everything was that's the performance. It's testing for resistance, insertion loss, return loss, near end crosstalk, power sum crosstalk. It's got a lot of things that it tests for. So that was a great termination here. It passed, right? So you could save it.
Save it.
And what was that number?
Number 2.
The good thing about this tester is once you set it to start from a specific number, so you test number 1, after it passes, next one is going to put number 2 there for you. So if it passes, you just hit save, right? Okay, so that's great. Let's test the next one. So I want you guys to test your cable, your stuff using the basic tester, and just write down the ones that you have problems with, and then we're going to bring the bigger one for you to use as well.
Yeah. Does it have a code? Does this one have a code? That one? Let me see. No, it doesn't. It's good. Yeah, that's good. It could be all like that. It's loose.
Yeah, let's lose. It takes a little bit of time because it has to gather a lot of information. So marginally passed, right? Marginally. And it total power sum crosstalk, right? So the total crosstalk, and it would show you exactly where the issue is. This is in dB, and this is in megahertz frequency. So it's just almost towards the end of it. Category 6 is 250, so just marginally. You can see, and it shows you which one had the crosstalk on. So when you click on this here, for example, see the power sum between it's 34.4 dB, and you can click on this to go through the pair assignment. So this one is between pair 3 and 6. You see that?
Yeah.
And this is just touching the line. That's the threshold. This is the threshold, and it's touching it right here. So that is where the issue is. Between pairs 4 and 5, which is the blue pair, there's no crosstalk. Between pair 7 and 8, which is the brown pair, there is no crosstalk. But this one has crosstalk. Between 1 and 2, no crosstalk. It's just between this one, 3 and 6. That is where the crosstalk is happening. So if you want to fix this, you go here and make sure that your orange pair has been taken care of. And you test again, and that issue is going to go away. You get it? Got it. Okay, good. So that's just what it is. We're going to come over here and test your cables as well. Now, let's see, based on what I explained to you, are you able to explain to him how to set up the tester? Try it.
For sure.
Because that's how you learn, right? If you have to transfer that knowledge from yourself to someone else, that is how you're going to learn. So explain to him how to set up that tester and succeed. I'll be here to watch. So first, just hit the home button. Yeah.
Okay, for now, we're going to test this patch panel.
Yeah.
To starting with test, the first thing you have to create a new project. Okay. You try to create a new project here. Okay, should I go with it?
Yeah, so click on the project.
Okay.
And you have to change the project. Good. And now you can create a new project. So every time you have this machine, you remember to create a new project.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, when you create a new project, you have to select what test you want to run on this test. So you have to go into test setup and choose the best setting for this test.
It's not working.
You can create your name here first.
I did it.
Which one is this?
No, LinkedIn. So
What about click on your name?
on this Facebook.